Come test drive the 2019 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.